This video explores the exciting potential of Pyodide, a revolutionary project that's bringing Python to the web. Pyodide is reshaping the web development, enabling seamless Python integration within the browser, along with Pyscript. When it comes to web technologies, we all know HTML and JavaScript. So what is Pyodide? Pyodide is a port of Python to WebAssembly, allowing Python to run in the browser. Pyscript is a framework for embedding Python, built on the top of Pyodide. The future of Python in web is that Pyodide aims to bring the full-featured Python ecosystem to the web, enabling developers to run Python code directly in the browser. A quick overview about the difference between Pyodide and Pyscript. Please note, Pyodide uses WebAssembly, while Pyscript is built on the top of Pyodide and relies on Pyodide. Key features of Pyodide. WebAssembly power. Pyodide utilizes WebAssembly to run Python in the browser, delivering near-native performance. Rich libraries. It includes a comprehensive range of Python libraries, making it suitable for various applications. Seamless interoperability. Pyodide seamlessly integrates with JavaScript, allowing Python code to interact with web pages and technologies. Package management. Pyodide supports package management through micropip, enabling users to install additional Python packages. Interactive development. Pyodide can be used in Jupyter-like environments, fostering interactive data exploration and visualization. Current state of Pyodide. Pyodide is used in data science domain for running Python-based data analysis and machine learning models in the browser. It is used in educational platforms to provide interactive coding environments for students. In web development, developers leverage Pyodide to create web applications that utilize Python for backend logic and data processing. Future prospects of Pyodide starts with performance boost. The ongoing efforts aim to optimize Pyodide's performance for even faster and more efficient execution. Expanding library support. The Pyodide team is adding more Python libraries to the distribution, enhancing its versatility for various applications. Enhanced interoperability. Improvements in interoperability between Python and JavaScript will simplify the integration of Pyodide into web applications. Improved user experience. These enhancements will make Pyodide more accessible and intuitive for a broader audience. Integration with web frameworks. Pyodide is likely to see more integration with web frameworks, facilitating the creation of full-stack web applications using Python. Community growth. As Pyodide gains traction, the community will grow, leading to more third-party libraries, tools, and resources. Top 10 use cases of Pyodide are in data visualization, machine learning, interactive API clients, interactive data analysis, Python-based game development, document and report generation, education platforms, rapid prototyping, scientific computing and custom web calculators. Pyodide challenges. Security. Running Python in the browser introduces new security considerations, requiring a secure and sandboxed environment. When it comes to code exposure, proprietary logic/algo visible in the browser. Browser compatibility. While Pyodide works well in modern browsers, compatibility issues with older, or, less common browsers remain. When it comes to adoption, limited tooling and community support as of now. Size and load time, Pyodide, can be large, affecting load times, especially for mobile devices. When it comes to performance, slower than JavaScript for certain tasks. Advantages of using Pyodide are 1. Unified development. Use Python for both front-end and back-end development, streamlining the development process. 2. Leverage Python's ecosystem. Access Python's vast library ecosystem, including scientific libraries, data analysis tools, and more. 3. Enhanced interactivity. Create interactive web applications with Python, making them more engaging for users. 4. Future-proof your skills. Pyodide is a rapidly evolving technology, positioning you for future web development opportunities.